This is John with WTI. And right here with me, I have my caramel syrup by Hershey's that I use this guy for variable reasons. I've used this for shakes. I've used this for my oatmeal. I've used this for pancakes. And it just has a nice little touch, this caramel flavor. It's just great. It's not too sugary that you're going to say, too much sugar. It's just going to be, diabetes. No. Actually, this actually has a great flavor without going to the too much sugar side. And you can actually enjoy this to almost everything. With ice cream, I do this with my oatmeal that I have almost daily. And adding the touch of this Hershey's syrup, it just gives my oatmeal and anything that I eat a nice flavor. Even for pancakes. Pancakes with this, pretty good. You should try it. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.